So we have created the file. Now let type something and let's see. Close this. So what we are not discussing, we are discussing variables. Variables means something which change with respect to time, right? So let me tell you with one example, that if suppose a boy named Rahul have 5 rupees, okay? So what I'm showing you there is a boy whose name is Rahul and he have 5 rupees. But can Rahul have 10 rupees in future?
Yes.
Yes. राहुल के पास 5 रुपए हैं अभी, बट क्या फ्यूचर में राहुल के पास 10 रुपए हो सकते हैं?
5 rupees.
So अगर मैं यहाँ पे ये राहुल, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने ये किया कि राहुल को 5 रुपए अलॉट कर दिए. इक्वल टू इज मीन्स कि राहुल है 5 रुपीज. अब मैं इसको प्रिंट करने बोलूंगा.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible. Hello. Okay, am I audible? I cannot see the chats. So if you have any problem, please unmute and please speak.
Sir, I was unable to follow you, so can you please explain how to make that folder again?
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to files. Okay.
Yes.
Then we have to go to add folder to workspace. And you have to find the place where you have downloaded Python. The Python that you have, that I have shared you the link, Python 3.8.
Yes, sir.
So you have to go in that file, Python. You have to press right click from your mouse, go to new, a folder, and in that folder rename it to the file that you want it to be. Like I have created my program 1. So I will select it and click on add. So what will happen, this folder will be added to my workspace here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in that folder I can add as many files as I want by clicking here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for now I have created a file by name first program by clicking this this button. So this is my first program, which I am right now, which I am typing. So let's start the program. Like a boy named Rahul have 5 rupees. Okay. So let me print Rahul. Means I will print how much Rahul. Print first. Let me explain you what is print. Print. If I will suggest you to have a pen and paper with you, so that you can write few commands which I will explain you. Okay. So if you want, I can give you 2 minutes to bring pen and paper. Or I will send this to you after we are saving this and we will upload it on YouTube, so you can watch it there also. So what is happening? Print is a command which is used to print our declaration. Like I am declaring, see, it is my output window, it is my input window, right? Okay. So whatever I will try to whatever will be my output, sorry, input, output will be we can see it here in this part. So let's suppose I am trying to Rahul have 5 rupees and I want to print what Rahul have. So for printing you have to press F5 button of your VCS. So I am pressing F5 and go to this Python file. So let's see what get printed. Mute yourself if you don't have any question. So see, here is the output. The output is 5. It means that Rahul have 5 rupees. Okay, let me do one more thing. I am adding Rahul equal to 10. So can you, anyone please unmute yourself and tell me what will be the output?
15.
15. Somebody said 15. Is it right? Anyone else?
5, 10.
5, 10. Okay. Let's see what 5
plus 10.
Okay. The answer will be 10. Only 10. Why? The reason is whenever I declare the same name or same person or same constant with another variable, like it is 10, a new variable, the value will get changed. Like if suppose again I declare a variable will be equal to 15, the value will be 15. So it is what happening here. What is my point? My point is whatever the value here, if we change this, the value for this will also get changed. So it is changing. It is not constant. So what it is? It is a variable. So our first program for today will be to assign a value to x and print it. Okay. So what we will do, we have already done it in case of Rahul. We will assign a value to x. So what we are doing here, we are assigning Rahul some money. So in first part हमने राहुल को 5 रुपए दिए, दूसरे पार्ट में हमने राहुल को 10 रुपए दिए और तीसरे पार्ट में हमने राहुल को 15 रुपए दिए. जो प्रिंट हो रहा था वो लास्ट पार्ट हो रहा था, क्योंकि प्रोग्राम स्टेप बाय स्टेप लाइन बाय लाइन रन किया जाता है. प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट लाइन बाय लाइन. तो राहुल का वही वैल्यू काउंट करेगा जो लास्ट लाइन में उसको सबसे आखिरी में मिला है. So this was happening in last program. So okay, so let's go to the PPT. Yes. So next part of our
Hello,
yeah.
Safwan.
Hello. So next part is assigning a value to x and printing the value. So we will write a code, assign a value to x, and we will print and see the output. Okay. So let's suppose I'm not changing the file, I'm writing in that file itself. Let's suppose I assign x is equal to 20. Okay. And I print it. This is the easiest way. I have assigned 20 to x and I print 20. You can see something happening downside. ये हो रहा है, ये प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है कंप्यूटर में. So ये क्या किया कि इसको प्रिंट कमांड को कंप्यूटर में रन करके देखा और ये देखा कि x पोजीशन पे कौन सा वैल्यू है. तो x मेरा एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट है और x में कौन सा वैल्यू है x के पास, तो x के पास है 20, तो वो 20 प्रिंट कर देगा. अभी ये 20 क्या है, x क्या है, ये मैं आगे में एकदम डिटेल में डिस्कशन करूंगा. ये बस एक समझो तो प्रोग्रामिंग शुरू कर रहे हैं. तो या सम्स you can ask by unmuting yourself. I cannot see the chat when I am sharing the screen. Unmute yourself and ask the question.
Sir, we have to do this in the computer or not?
Yes. You have
Sir,
to
but
do.
my
Yeah.
elder brother is using the computer, so what I can do?
So you don't have to do it right now. You just focus here, learn things. After the class, I will share the PPT and I will share the video with you. You go and practice it by yourself. But if you face any problem, you can refer the video, you can refer the PPT, and even then, even if you face any problem, you can contact us at any point of time.
Safwan.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, not in the group actually.
You can personally message any of the group admin.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is happening? We have programmed it. हमने 20 अलॉट किया x को, x को 20 वैल्यू था x के पास, हमने प्रिंट किया। तो मैं बात करूंगा कि ये प्रिंट कमांड क्या हो रहा है। प्रिंट एक कमांड है प्रोग्रामिंग का, और ये एक सिंटेक्स जो है इसका पूरा लिस्ट हम आपको दे देंगे कि ये सिंटेक्स क्या होता है, ये x इक्वल टू क्या है, और भी सारे जितने भी कमांड्स है। बस अभी आप केवल ये फोकस करिए कि प्रोग्रामिंग टाइप कैसे हो रहा है, मतलब सिंटेक्स किस तरह से हो रहा है। तो ये एक प्रिंट कमांड है कंप्यूटर का, जिसके थ्रू हम, अगर मान लो हम यहाँ प्रिंट कमांड हटा देते हैं तो फिर क्या होता है। प्रोग्राम रन करते हैं, यहाँ पे अभी 20 प्रिंट हो रहा था, 20 आउटपुट आ रहा था। लेट्स सी व्हाट विल हैपन। सी नथिंग इज प्रिंटेड, प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूटेड, प्रोग्राम रन, नथिंग, नो एरर, but still no output. The reason is we haven't printed this output. So to printing it, we have to give this command print x. Then only we can print whatever the output is. Okay. So our next program is to assign multiple value to variables and print the values. Okay. So what we will do, we will assign multiple value to multiple variable and we will print the value. So let's see how it works. And one more thing, after 10 minutes, this meeting will be closed after 9 minutes. So whenever this meeting get closed, rejoin this meeting after, by clicking the same link. ये मीटिंग जैसे ही बंद होगा तो आप लोग वापस से सेम लिंक पे क्लिक करके जो ग्रुप में है वापस से मीटिंग ज्वाइन कर लेंगे। सो हमारा जो अभी का टास्क है वो ये है कि हमें मल्टीपल वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करना है और उसे प्रिंट करना है। सो मैं XYZ नहीं करूंगा, मैं एक कुछ और करता हूं। जैसे राहुल के पास 5 रुपए हैं, असलम के पास 10 रुपए हैं और रवि के पास 20 रुपए हैं। मुझे अब प्रिंट करना है इन तीनों का वैल्यू। अभी तक मैं क्या कर रहा था कि मैं एक का वैल्यू प्रिंट कर रहा था, बट नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू प्रिंट these three values together. So what is the command? Print Rahul / Aslam / semicolon, sorry, not slash, and Ravi. So let's see the output. See, here is the output. The output is 5, 10, and 20. So if suppose someone asks me like, if I want to not do like this, but can I do this like this? Can anyone tell me what will get changed, or is it will it be a correct code or not? Is it a correct code, or it will give some error?
It will give some error.
Yeah, will it give the output or not?
It won't give.
It won't give.
It will give.
It will give. How will be the output?
It will be in different lines.
Okay, so let's see.
Hello.
You are right. It will give the output, but the output will be in different line. So what was happening in our first code? Let's do it also. See, for this point, for this part, print Rahul, comma Aslam, comma Ravi, we have the output 5, 10, and 20. It is printing the output in the same line. But when we print it separately in different lines, it is giving the output in different lines. So first for Rahul, then for Aslam, then for Ravi. So these were the codes. You can do it for anything, any other thing also, like x is equal to 5, y equal to 10, z equal to anything, and you can print them. So today's task is to go and try this, printing in same line and printing in different lines. तो ये आप लोग फोन पे भी कर सकते हो. सेम कोड अगर आप लोग या तो लिख लो या तो याद कर लो, या तो अगर आप समझ गए हो तो जो फोन में जिसके पास पाइट्रोइड है, जिसके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है, तो उसमें ये कोड टाइप करेगा अगर जब, तो ये इसी तरह का आउटपुट उसको मिलेगा. सही है. तो ये है बेसिकली कंप्लीट ओवरव्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल्स, जो मैंने आपको कोड करके भी बता दिया कि कैसे वो चेंज करता है या कैसे वो कैसे उसको एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं हम. सो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट है वो है इंटीजर्स, स्ट्रिंग एंड फ्लोट्स. वी हैव we can at least complete integers in this session, and for string and float we will continue in the next session that we will join after 2 minutes. So integer क्या होता है, कोई बता सकता है integer क्या होता है? What is an integer?
Positive numbers and negative numbers including 0.
Okay. So basically it means any numerical number, right?
Any numerical
Yes.
value assigned to the variables.
Negative and positive both.
Okay. So let's see in program. So what is the value here? Is it an integer? Is it an integer?
No, sir.
Is
No.
Yes, x is an integer. Yes.
Why? Who is
Yes,
saying
why
no?
is
Why
it
no?
integer?
हमको तो नहीं पता.
X have a value of 5,
Five is-
and 5. What is 5?
5 is
Now
integer,
it's-
x is variable.
Now it's an integer.
Variable can be an integer, can be a float, and can be a string. So variable is something else. I'm talking what 5 have. 5 have. Sorry, X has
Yeah.
5, and what is 5?
It's an integer.
5. X is integer, right? So let's see
Yes.
what will be the output, and I will show you the type. What type of variable it is. So here the output is 5. You know how to print it. So let's see what is the output. Let's print the type of this code. So this is a new command which is known as type. So what it will do, it will print the type of code it is. So see what is the output here in the downside. It shows class int, which means that this code belongs to a integer class. Means x has a variable, x has a value of 5, and 5 is the integer. So we have 1 minute left, and we will rejoin the session. So before ending this, let's see for the negative number. So if we have to check it for -5, let's see what will be the output. So we will see the output plus the type. So See, what is the output?
Class INT.
The output is minus 5 and it belongs to
Class INT.
to
Integer.
class int. It means it is an
Integer.
integer
Integer.
which have a value of minus 5. So I'm ending this session because we have 1 minute more, less than 1 minute left in this session, and we will rejoin the link within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Inform you in the group.
WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
I will take I will take more 5 minutes and then we will end the session. So one more
Okay,
point,
sir.
one more thing is that we need to discuss today is list. What is the list? Don't read the slide. Just explain me what you know about list.
List. Information.
Simple. In simple words.
line.
In simple words. Let's suppose your mother is sending you to bring something from market, and she have given you a list. What it is? It is a
It's the collection of data.
right. It is a collection of data, and it is a collection of data and no problem, Aisha. I will upload it on YouTube and you can watch it after. I will give you the link in the group today or tomorrow in the morning. So suppose someone has sent you to bring something from market. Your mother have sent you to bring something from market, and she had given you some sort of list in which it is vegetables, fruits, medicines, and so many other things. So it is a collection of data, right? So list is exactly the same way,
Yes.
but here in Python, a list can be changed, can be rearranged, can be ordered, can be sorted. So it is the same way, it is the same list as your mother used to give you when she want you to bring something. So let's see how it works. So first let us revise something. So for int, we don't have to give anything, any colon or anything. But for a string, we have to write in double quote. For float, we have to write in decimal. Similarly, for list, we have to write it in
Square bracket.
right. So for string, we have to write it in a square bracket. So let's suppose for now, I am declaring 5 numbers. First is 25, second is 20, third is 10, fourth is 15, and fifth is 0.
20.
Okay,
10.
20. So what it is? Let's suppose it is a marks. No, it is not X, it is marks. Okay, so it is a mark of 5 students.
Okay.
In maths, first got 25, second got 20, third got 10, fourth got 15, and fifth got 20. So this is the way how we declare a list. I will show you how to print it. So let's suppose I am printing a list, this list. Someone asked about, is it case sensitive? So I'm explaining you here itself. See, here is the output. But here I have declared marks M as a capital word, M capital MAR mark. But if I want to print and if I use M as a small letter, will it get printed or not?
No, because you
No,
have written
no,
there
no.
capital M, and here it is for small M, it will not work.
तो यहाँ पे वो print नहीं होगा.
नहीं
The
होगा.
reason is कि it is a case sensitive. So जो वहाँ पे हम declare करेंगे, same यहाँ पे use करेंगे. इसके पीछे वजह ये है कि जो हमारा वर्ड्स हम यूज करते हैं उसका एक वैल्यू असाइन है कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में. तो प्लस एम का एक अलग वैल्यू है और माइनस एम का एक अलग वैल्यू है. सो जब हम माइनस एम देते हैं तो वो उस वैल्यू को कॉल नहीं कर पाता है. ये प्लस एम दे देते हैं तो वो कॉल नहीं कर पाता. एक और चीज आप लोग देखेंगे कि जब पहले ये हुआ तो इसमें एरर आया. फिर से करते हैं. फिर एरर आया. अनएक्सपेक्टेड इंटेंट. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो कोडिंग है हमारा उसका जो सिंटेक्स है, ये जो पोजीशन है वो गलत है. होना ये चाहिए कि जब हम जो भी चीज लिख रहे हैं वो सेम लाइन में लिखें. आगे बताएंगे कि कहाँ पे उसको आगे इधर लिखना है. बट अभी ये होगा कि मार्क अगर इस लाइन पे है तो ये भी इसी लाइन में होगा. यहाँ नहीं होगा, ये यहाँ नहीं होगा, नीचे हो सकता है. बट स्पेस या सेम लाइन में नीचे में जाके आप लिखने से वो आउटपुट आएगा. बट अगर इसको हम एक टैब दबा के 4 स्पेस बार दे देते हैं तो आउटपुट नहीं आएगा, वो एरर आएगा. तो ये सिंटेक्स है, बहुत बेसिक सिंटेक्स है पाइथन का. इसको याद रखना है हम लोग को कि जब प्रोग्राम लिखे या कोड लिखे तो हम जो प्रिंट कमांड है वो सेम लाइन में दे. आगे में और भी बात है कि कब उसको 4 स्पेस दे के भी लिखना है. बट वो आगे जब आएगा तो उसको डिस्कस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. तो अभी तक के लिए इतना ही है कि ये हमारा एक लिस्ट है. तो अब आगे एक और लिस्ट बनाते हैं हम लोग कि ये तो सारा इंटीजर वैल्यू है, राइट. सो लेट्स सपोज कि हमारे पास एक लिस्ट है जिसमें INT भी है, फ्लोट भी है, स्ट्रिंग भी है. तो क्या वो एक लिस्ट के अंदर आएगा?
Sir, 25, 20, 10, 15, 20. Can it be in different lines?
Can it
be printed in different lines?
It can be printed
in different.
It can be printed in different line, but for that we have to run a loop, and loop is a complete section for our education, and we will read it after 2-3 sessions inshallah.
Okay. Inshallah.
We will see it. We will see how to make a list, how to print a list in complete separate line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For now we have list, and so let's suppose I have to print city information. City info. So what a city have? A city have a name. Okay. Let's suppose it's Delhi. It have a pin code. So let's suppose the pin code is this. It have a temperature. So let's suppose today temperature of Delhi is 26.8 degrees Celsius. So this have a string of INT and a float. So let's print and see will it be printed or not. So what does it explain? It says that within a list you can declare a string, you can declare a INT, and you can declare a float all together. Okay. So see, here is the example. this list has a integer value, and this list, this is x and y, this is a two different lists. For y we have Imran, Rahul, an integer value, a float value, and then a string. So it can have all these things together. So each element or a value inside a list is called item. So in this links, in this list, all these are items.
Item.
So we will see it in depth in our next session. So we will end the session here for today, and we will continue on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Okay,
Hafiz.
sir.
So
Allah Hafiz.
if suppose anyone have any problem, so you can send the message to my WhatsApp anytime.
Hafiz.
Okay. So we will.
Okay.
Tariq bhai, you can end the session, and if you want to add something, you can add.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सबको आप लोग ये जारी रखें। I hope that everyone will continue it, whether you understand or not. Your all doubts will be cleared. So I think you will be very much benefited. And if you leave this program, then after 2 years, it may be that you will feel some need to learn this thing. So if you understand partially, or if you understand half, then also it will be helpful, because when you will learn next in some other program organized by somebody else, then you will remember something. Oh, these things I learned here. So then I hope that everyone will enjoy it. Please join it and continue it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Yes. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Adab. Bye bye.